Okay guys, I'm going to show you how to remove a valve seat from a 188 case. It's from a bulldozer. You know, some people don't have the tools, don't have the big machines to do it, but you can do it on the mill, and I'll show you a nice easy way. It's secure as long as you're careful. Well, I've taken one out, so I'll just show you how I do it. First, just set up on the exhaust valve. Get the center of the valve. Now you want to be roughly center. Drop your quill down. Don't go too far down, otherwise you'll munch into the casting of the head. Just set it up to take a cut. You're just going to touch off on it, set your DOR to 0, and then you're going to measure your new valve seat, which is 98 thou. So you want to stay back 95. This way you're not going to touch the head. So let's start. Touched off on it, set my DOR to 0. Now I know to go in just, if you really want to be safe, go in 90 thou. Just be safe. You don't want to go far because to add metal to this, it's a pain. About 29 thou, 31. 40, 50, 60, 70. You can always double check by lifting the quill up to see where you're at. Okay, we'll go in a little bit more. It's chattering a bit, but no big deal. I'm just doing a little greedy here, going in just a little bit further. I should be right on that edge. There it is. See that little rust spot in there? That's the casting showing up here. So you don't go any further. I'm gonna back it off. 2 thou just to be safe. Lock my table, and now I'm gonna munch this thing down. This is where you just use your eye. Don't go past. Just go easy. Keep having a peek how far you're off from the casting, because you can clearly tell how far you're off. Just go easy, no rush. This is not a rush process. Nice and easy, these things come out like butter. It's just chattering because there's pressure against the seat. I'm almost there. So you gotta be very patient. I would stop right there. Now, I'll move the table over. I'll just tap that with a chisel, and that will come out like butter. Give it a little tap. Tap it this way. Well, it's coming out, I see it. You don't want to hit the cast iron. There it is. Right here. This thing should have came out a little more easier. Just take another sour on this. This should come out like butter. Definitely come out now easier. There it is. Just got to be patient. Sometimes it comes out easy, and sometimes it just takes a touch bit longer, but there it is. No damage. Simple way on the mill. You just got to take your time. That's it.